In this lesson, we're going to work with non-blank information or blank information. We're looking at averages. The details are here. The catch here is some operator information. What do I mean by operator information? We're going to have greater than, and then we're going to have a less than and greater operator. Okay, what does that mean? Well, in this case, we're asking average this information, these costs, D5 to D6, greater than blank. Two quotes together equate to a blank, all right? On the other hand, we have greater than and equal, which means not equal. We're saying the equivalent of add up everything, excluding and disregard. We don't care about blanks using this operator. Over here, here's what it says. Range and criteria are provided as two arguments. This is equivalent to the expression D5, D16, which means not equal to an empty cell, or in other words, not empty. So what we're saying is if we're using this particular operator, we want to average everything excluding blank. With this operator, we want to average everything. We can look at it from down here. What we do is we just take the non-blank numbers, in which there are 7. We divide it by 7. Here, all we did is we took this entire list of information and we divide it, use the average. We can incorporate the average ifs function to do this all in one little formula. What we're doing here, average ifs averages numbers that meet multiple criteria. What's the multiple criteria? It is the average range, C5 to C16. We're going to look at this data based on what? The range. What's the range? D5 to D16. We're going to ask for, we want to average everything excluding the blanks. And that number is 44591, and you can see right here it's 44591. Here, average ifs cost, which is C5 to C16. Model, 138, D5, C16, and this operator, which would be criteria, the number is 45255. So in summary, keep in mind the operator, the greater than and less than equates to not equals to, saying not equal to blank. Care about the blanks using this operator, whereas here we want to average everything but the blanks. And this should say no, with no blanks. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Thanks.